Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of docking stations with a Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C dual 4K display docking station. This sleek and versatile device is designed to elevate your workstation to the next level. Before we delve into the features, let's start with unboxing and our initial impressions. Inside the box, we find the Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C dual 4K display docking station. It's a compact and stylish device that promises to bring convenience and connectivity to your workspace. Now, let's explore the key features that make this docking station stand out. First up, flexible expandability. This docking station is a one-stop solution for upgrading your USB 3.0 or USB-C laptop. It provides dual HDMI or DisplayPort video outputs, wired gigabit Ethernet, a 3.5mm combination audio jack, and 6 USB 3.0 ports. The inclusion of both USB 3.0 and USB-C cables ensures compatibility with various host devices. For the productivity-focused users, the Plugable Docking Station supports dual 4K monitors. You can connect two displays, each capable of resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at a silky smooth 60 Hz. Say goodbye to grainy visuals and hello to enhanced multitasking. This docking station is a versatile companion. It's compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, X, and 7, Chrome OS 100+, and Mac OS 10.14+. Whether you're on a PC or a Mac, it's designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow. When it comes to connectivity, this docking station is a beast. It boasts 10 ports, including 2 DisplayPort HDMI ports for your monitors, 6 USB 3.0 ports for all your peripherals, a 3.5mm combination audio jack, and gigabit Ethernet for fast and reliable networking. One of the standout features is the support for high-resolution displays. With DisplayPort or HDMI, you'll experience sharp visuals and expanded screen real estate. Managing multiple tasks has never been easier. Now, let's discuss performance and versatility. This docking station is designed to enhance your productivity and workspace. It's perfect for tasks like email, web applications, and office work. However, it's not recommended for resource-intensive activities like gaming or video editing. The dynamic design of this dock is worth noting. Its vertical orientation saves desk space while providing easy access to essential ports. Whether you're at work or home, this dock adapts to your needs. In conclusion, the Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C dual 4K display docking station is a powerful tool for expanding your workstation's capabilities. With its dual monitor support, ample connectivity, and compatibility across various platforms, it's a valuable addition to any setup. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C dual 4K display docking station. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Remember, investing in the right docking station can streamline your work and make your digital life more efficient. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and stay productive.